In my today's video, I'm going to talk about Grammarly, its benefits, and how you can use it to check documents in Google Docs. So, firstly, let us see what is Grammarly. Now, Grammarly is basically a grammar checking tool that helps to detect different types of grammatical errors. Well, if you want to use it with Google Docs, first you need to go to the website of Grammarly. So, as I already have the premium or the paid version, so it takes me directly to the dashboard. Now you need to click on the new here and you will be redirected to this page. This is the document which I already have for checking. I'll simply select the content and then paste it here. As you can see on the right hand side, you will get to see all the alerts. There are around 46 alerts. Okay, so Grammarly does not just detect the grammatical mistakes, but it also comes up with different suggestions, and it depends on you whether you want to take up that suggestion or you want to ignore it. So you have both options, you can do as you want. Like, let's see here, it says that clarity, and this is basically a passive voice. So in our content, we do not prefer much passive voices, right? So it says to change it to active voice. Well, if I don't want to change it, I can simply click on this here and it will be dismissed. As you can see, the next option you get is for the phrase a very special. So they're suggesting an extraordinary or an exception. So depending on what you want to use in the content, you can select one of these. So I'll go with an extraordinary. Here, as you can see, there is some error because the T is not capitalized. So I can simply click on this and it will be done. Like this, you'll get lots and lots of suggestions, and if you think that it's good enough, then you can simply use it or you can dismiss it. As you keep correcting the mistakes, you will see the overall score here on the right top corner. It says 78. So once you correct all the errors, your overall score will change to 99 or 100. Okay, so you can see so many suggestions are here. Another feature of Grammarly paid version is the Plagiarism Checkup. You can check plagiarism. As you can see on the right hand side corner, here at the bottom, there is this plagiarism check. Click on this and it will be checking your content with millions of other web pages. And yes, like you can see here, we are getting 5% plagiarism. You can do the changes here itself. So as I have just made the change, the plagiarism is gone and it's showing the next line which is plagiarized. So based on this, you can just correct the changes. So that's all. After you're done with the corrections, you can Control A, Control X, and then go to your document and Control V. So you'll get your content here. The other way that you can use to check your documents in Grammarly is by adding the Grammarly extension to Chrome. Like if you can see here, I have this Grammarly extension here already added to Chrome. It shows me all the suggestions, the definitions, synonyms, spelling correction, and I have some options to write in like American English, British English, Australian English, and Canadian English. So let's see how we can check it here. Basically what happened, Grammarly has upgraded its version, and which is why it is possible to do all of these checkings right here in document instead of opening the Grammarly website. So I'll just close this tab, and here on the right hand side bottom corner there's a symbol. If you click on it, it shows that yes, looks like you are the author of this doc. Do you want Grammarly to check this document or are you just reading? So you simply click on yes, check it, and it will come up with some suggestions. These are the suggestions that you are getting in the website as well. So you're getting the same suggestions here. So if you click on this adjust goals, you will get to adjust or set goals as per your priority or as per your content requirement. The first thing is audience. So this denotes that for whom you are writing the content. So I'll keep it general. The formality for this, I'll keep it informal. Domain, you have some options like business, general, email, casual, creative. So here I'll go with casual. The tone. Tone would determine how you want your content to sound, whether it should be analytical or it should be friendly. So I'll go with friendly and optimistic. And last one is the intent, where you need to choose whether you want to inform something or you want to describe it to your viewers or to your readers, or you want to convince or tell a story. So I'll just go with describe and tell a story and click on done. Once this is done, you just need to click on the suggestions given on the right hand side one by one. So the first one, as we had seen previously as well, the first line was showing passive voice, so I'll just click on this to dismiss it. Next is this one, I'll go with the suggestion. So it's basically the same thing that we saw in the website. It's quite similar. Grammarly is pretty easy to use and can solve a lot of daily problems which we usually face while doing professional works. So that's how you can use it. So once you are done checking your entire document and everything is fine, there are no errors, you will get this displayed on the right hand panel. So that means that your document is completely correct. It has full clarity, engagement and delivery, as you can see here. Alright, so I hope the video was helpful. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also let me know in the comment section below if you have any feedback. Thank you for watching.